in a small, bustling town. The holiday season had arrived with a crisp chill and twinkling lights strung across every street. The community was known for its spirit of giving, and this year was no different. Sarah, a young woman with a heart as warm as her knitted scarves, decided to spend her weekends at the local shelter. Her kindness radiated as she served hot meals to the less fortunate, laughing and engaging with them as if they were old friends. Across town, Mr. Thompson, a retired teacher, spent his days repairing old bicycles to donate to children who couldn't afford new ones. His garage overflowed with tools and bright paint, the walls adorned with thank you notes from delighted kids. Meanwhile, a group of teenagers banded together for a community cleanup, picking up litter from the parks and repainting benches. Their camaraderie was evident in their shared smiles and a light in their eyes as they rejuvenated their surroundings. In another corner, a mother and her daughter collected toys and clothes to donate to those in need. Each item was carefully selected, wrapped with care, and delivered with a hug. These small acts of kindness lit up the town like the myriad of Christmas lights strung above. Each giver felt an irreplaceable joy, a sense of purpose and fulfillment that resonated in their hearts. For the receivers, the impact was profound, not just in the tangible items or help received, but in the love and care that came with it. The video captures these moments, Sarah laughing with those she serves, Mr. Thompson presenting a newly painted bike to a beaming child, the teenagers high-fiving after a day's hard work, and the mother-daughter duo sharing a smile over a stack of neatly wrapped presents. As the video closes, a powerful message appears. In the act of giving, we receive. Find joy in helping others. The final scene shows the entire community gathered in the town square, sharing stories, music, and laughter, embodying the true essence of the holidays: joy, love, and the spirit of giving.